Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how you can get the Office 365 for free. You just need to open any browser which you use, and on the search you need to type here Office 365 login, and you just need to click on this option login 365. Then you need to log in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have the Microsoft account, you can make it. So once you have logged in with your Microsoft account guys, okay, you just need to come over to this three dots, and you can use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, Outlook. So how to use it? Let me open the Excel. As you can see here, I have already used it for testing purpose. So you can use all the functionality of Office 365 here. So you can all the filters, as well as you can edit some your document using the Word. Also you can use the PowerPoint here. Like so, and likewise you can also use here the OneNote. Just need to log in again here. If you don't have the account, you just need to click on create one. So this is how guys you can use the Office 365 and get Office 365 for free. So I hope this video is really helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.